Bunny the boy took the bus and went to the beach. On the way, Bunny saw two boys riding a bicycle. Bunny went to the beach bakery and met the happy baker. Bunny bought 2 big blueberry biscuits, 2 bananas. When Bunny got to the beach, he saw a very hungry and tired buffalo. Bunny gave some bread buns to the buffalo. The buffalo became very happy and said thank you. Bunny then found a beautiful bellflower and got happy. Bunny played with his boomerang and got tired. Bunny went back home and met his brother. Bunny took a bath and happily went to bed.